Hey guys, are you tired of relying on inaccurate weather forecasts? Want to take control of your own weather tracking? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best home weather stations that will bring accuracy and convenience right to your doorstep. But before we get started, make sure check the link in the description below. If you want to know about the price and other information, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Weatherflow Tempest. Weatherflow has extensive experience in weather stations, having built a network of coastal weather stations that are invaluable in tracking coastal storms and hurricanes. The Tempest is the company's first home weather station. For the most part, this unit is a decent starting point. Powered entirely by the sun, it has no moving parts. The rain gauge is a haptic sensor on the top, and wind speed and direction are measured sonically. Lightning detection is also the best for any personal weather station I've tested. The Tempest can also trigger your smart home devices thanks to support for EFT, a smart home automation service. Other than some accuracy issues with the haptic rain gauge, it's among the best on the market. Next up, we have the Ambient Weather WS2902. When it comes to value, you can't get much better than the Ambient Weather WS2902. Now in its 5th update, the station is easier than ever to install, thanks to an upgraded in-app setup process. Also new as of the last generation is a better console, which is easier to see compared to earlier versions that weren't readable unless you were looking at it head-on. While it has no lightning detection capabilities, it has everything else the Weatherflow Tempest does at a significantly lower price. I was shocked at how accurate the sensors are for a budget weather station. It's almost as good as some higher tier options. Sure, it isn't expandable and needs batteries for the sensor suite, but the price makes up for that. Moving on to our 3rd pick, the Kestrel KestrelMet 6000. Kestrel is better known for its high-quality handheld wind and weather meters, but the brand's first foray into home weather stations is a home run. Since it is a Nielsen-Kellerman company, as is Ambient Weather, the 6000 uses the Ambient Weather network for internet and smart home connectivity. Kestrel omitted UV and solar sensors, which nearly every cheaper ambient weather station has, and made it optional, which is one of my few issues with the 6000. But the inclusion of fan aspiration in the base model and the option to connect to your station via the cellular network make this a top choice for more demanding weather enthusiasts, beating out even the Davis Vantage Pro 2. One potential negative, we don't have the reliability data that we have with Davis stations. The Vantage Pro 2 or something similar has been sold for 2 decades. The 6000 has been on the market for only a year. So far so good, save for a software bug that affected barometric pressure readings that has since been corrected. The operation has been flawless. Our 4th pick is the Ambient Weather WS5000. The Ambient Weather WS5000 is one of the most fully featured weather stations on the market. While it doesn't include a lightning detector in the base package, you can add 1.5 dozen other optional sensors. All the sensors I tested were accurate, although all the optional sensors require batteries, so that's something to keep in mind. The biggest thing going against the WS5000 is its price. At one point, this station was just $300, making it a bargain. Now at $450, it is pretty expensive, even with longer range connectivity between the station and your sensors. But it's worth the money if you'd like to track more than the standard weather measurements. Last but certainly not least, we have the Ambient Weather WS2000. While I haven't had a chance to test the WS2000 myself, I've tested the sensor suite in the WS2902 and the console in the WS5000. That's essentially what the WS2000 is. While you'll get slightly less accurate ratings due to the lower quality sensors, the console allows you to add all the optional sensors of the WS5000 without breaking the bank. While we'd still steer those looking for accuracy to the WS5000 or Davis Vantage View, the WS2000 is an excellent compromise for budget-conscious weather enthusiasts. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best home weather stations on the market. Whether you're a weather aficionado or just want to stay informed, investing in one of these devices will revolutionize the way you track weather. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay dry and stay informed.